Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Okay, if this is your Photoshop, just you want to resize an image, what can you do? Please first of all subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and like the video. I will show everything easy and in easy method. Okay, you will amazingly what's going on, you will be shocked. I will show simplest way. Okay, now so first of all you have to just open your Adobe Photoshop. Okay, now just click on the file. After file you have to go to your image which you want to resize. Okay, go to the open button. After opening you have to select the image which you want to resize. Okay, for example this is the best way. No, just wait. I am selecting the image which you want to add. For example, I just select any one picture. Which picture. Okay, now this is the background draw. Just I select this picture. Okay, no, here is no background. Just I selecting another picture which you want to resize. The best and simple way, for example, this I have selected this picture. Okay, now what an amazing picture. It's I do it's myself. Okay, so what's amazing. Okay, now I have selecting this picture. If you want to resize this image, for resizing there is many things. One is about resize the size of image, resize the MB. For example, how much it's take a storage place. You want to, for example, if you upload any photo to your website and that website don't want to upload the large image, if you want to resize, in resizing there is two options. One is on dimension and another is on the size. So we will talk about both of them, on the size and dimension. So first of all about sizing. Okay, so for example this is the size and you need a size. For example you need like this picture, and this is the what can you do? Just click on the file, create on the new, and when you click on the create on the new button, there is a sizing. All the size are come to you. You have to just select any one picture legal, just select, or any if other person, if you don't do that, just give it names, gives its pixel inch. For example this is a pixel inch. You can select these are just, you have to custom size or just present size. These in these sizes you have to select one picture. For example I selecting this. Okay, now you see this image is like this, so you can convert this picture into like this. Okay, so for that purpose you have to do what you do, just if you have Control D. After this you have this image. Okay, you have to select the image which you want. For example if you want to add all these image or just simple a part of it. Okay, just select the image. For example I selecting all the image. Okay, you have to select the image. Now I select this image. You have to you want to transfer this. So for that purpose you have just select on the move. This is the move tool. When I select the move tool, just this is the best option. Now you have just drag drop here into another picture. Now I drop this to this picture. Now you see this, you have to just click on the Control P. Now you have just to resize this image. You can do everything. For example if I don't want, I just make a person in middle of it, don't show any other thing. You can resize this image like this. Okay, just click on the enter button. This image has been resized. Okay, if you don't wish about, if you don't like and you say that I need all the image in just this photo, so you can do that. For example just click on the Control T button. When you click on the control, just join this to the both sided. Okay, you will see how is it looking. Just click on the enter button. Now you see this image has been resized. This image is converted into this. What a amazing and so simple way. Okay, now another thing is about size. What can you do about size if you need a size? So first of all go to the file manager, go to the new. When you go to the new, you have, this is the resolution. you have if you change the resolution, for example 200, I showed you that resolution, convert the resolution to 200. For example, this is the, if I give 500 575, you see 577, you see this is 22.9 MB size. But if you convert it 57, the size is become converted into 228 Kelvin. If you just give it 22 or 25, you see this is a 44K. So the best, if you need what about size, if 150, 155, so this is 1.65 mm. So the size depend on the resolution, so you change the resolution which size you want. Okay, and click the image which you want, just select the dimension. Okay, now click on the OK button. This image, so I have tell about everything which can you do. Now when you convert the size, just click on the file and click on the save as. When you click on the save as, there is a format come to you. Just click on the format and click on the PNG and just click on the save. This image will be saved and you can upload it. Okay, thanks for watching.